Alright, this is take 3 of me doing all those trick tips that I teach you in a couple of videos, and I'm doing all of them on the Rubik's Cube, blindfolded. This is the 3rd time that I'm doing it. The first time the camera wasn't recording. The second time when I was showing it to the camera, my hand was kind of blocking part of the view. Sometimes I would show you the whole thing, other times you'd get to see, this much of it, and that's just not acceptable to me. So I'm going to do this one more time. I hope it's one more time. I'll do it however many times it takes to get it right and get it on YouTube, but I'm going to blindfold myself with the tie, just so you know. Can't see how to do it. Up your head. This really sucks. Tie. Okay, you're good. First thing that I'm going to do is the X, okay? Alright, I think it's done. I don't know, this is fine. Okay, hopefully the camera got that. If not, anyways, alright, now solve it. Now it should be solved again, and now I'm going to try to change the center colors and all of them. Alright, I'm done for the night, hopefully, as long as I didn't get it wrong this time. Hope you enjoyed. Watch my other Rubik's Cube videos. I show you how to do both of those tricks that I just did. And I even show you how to solve it. So, yeah, way to go for me. And way to go for you if you've watched my other videos and you've succeeded in doing this and travel while blindfolded. I've only been doing this for a week. I'm happy, so. Catch y'all later.